When you scroll through YouTube, you have probably seen completely garbage videos getting thousands of views, while you put in your best effort and still get this type of result: 0 view on shorts and 1 view on long videos. It's simply because you are making a few mistakes over and over again. So let's see which mistakes are actually enough to destroy your channel, and if you have made those mistakes, how you can recover from them. Mistake number 1: deleting video. One of the biggest mistake small YouTubers make is deleting their videos again and again just because they didn't get views. You upload a video, it get only 10 to 20 views, and then you think this video is dead, so you delete it. But this is actually hurting your channel even more. Every video you upload gives YouTube data about your audience, what they click on, how long they watch, and what type of content they enjoy. When you delete videos, you also delete all of the data. And here is the crazy part: some videos blow up months or even years later. So deleting too early can kill a video that might have gone viral in the future. If you have already made this mistake, don't worry, you can still recover from it. First, stop deleting your future upload, even if they completely flop. Second, if a video really doesn't match your channel anymore, make it unlisted instead of deleting it completely. That way, the video stays on your channel without being publicly visible. And finally, instead of giving up an old video, try updating them. Change thumbnail, rewrite the title, and give the video a second chance. Mistake number 2: copy pasting others' content. Another huge mistake creators make is copy pasting content from platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook and uploading it as their own. Okay, let me paint you a picture. You are scrolling through TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube and suddenly find a viral video with millions of views. You think to yourself, my audience gonna love this. So you download it, maybe from a channel smaller than yours, reedit it slightly, change the background music, and maybe you add your face in the corner. And you call it content. But here's the truth nobody wants to say out loud. That's not a content creation, that's a content theft. If you have already been uploading copied content, do not panic. You need to fix it before it becomes a habit. First, make those heavily copied videos private or unlisted, especially if they contain footage taken directly from another creators. Second, stop using other platforms as a source of content. Use them only for inspiration. If you see a trending TikTok format or viral reel, create your own version with your own footage, editing style, personality, or twist. Mistake number 3: sub for sub spamming. You start dropping your channel link in random comment sections, begging people to subscribe. Or maybe you join sub for sub groups where everyone subscribes to each other without actually watching the videos. Some creators even buy fake subscribers from website, create multiple Gmail accounts to subscribe to themselves. And you beg your cousin, your friend, your relatives, just subscribe, bro. You don't have to watch anything. At first, the numbers look good. Your subscribers count goes up and feels like your channel is finally growing, man. But in reality, you are slowly killing your channel. Because YouTube doesn't care about subscribers. It cares about viewer behavior. If people subscribe but never click on your videos, never watch them, YouTube gonna give you a shadow ban. So, how to recover if you have done this? First, stop doing sub for sub immediately. Even if your growth becomes slower for a while, real growth is always better than fake numbers. Mistake number 4: re-uploading content. Some creators suggest re-uploading the same video, especially shorts, when they get 0 views. And to be honest, sometimes re-uploading version get more views and impressions. But the real problem starts later. When you apply for monetization, YouTube may reject your channel for repetitive content. Remember this word, repetitive content. So even re-uploading gives temporarily views, it can hurt your chance of getting monetized. YouTube can recognize duplicated or repeated uploaded content very easily, even if you delete the previous upload. And if you keep doing it too often, YouTube may stop giving impression forever. Mistake number 5, copyright strike. This is where small creator mistakes become seriously dangerous. Most new creators do not read or fully understand YouTube's policy, so they freely use movie clips, animations, music, gameplay, TV shows, or other creators' video without permission, assuming nothing will happen. And sometimes nothing does happen at first. The video stays up, get views, and everything looks fine. But one day you wake up and suddenly see a strike on your channel. One strike, your video gets taken down. Two strikes, your upload privileges get restricted. And three strikes, your entire channel get terminated. And the saddest part is, even after getting just one strike, many creators notice a huge drop in impressions and overall reach. So please read YouTube's policy before you next upload. Mistake number 6, bad audio. A viewer can tolerate bad video quality, but they cannot tolerate bad audio. You can upload a video in 480p and people may still watch it, but if your mic sounds noisy, echo, too low, or full of background noise, most viewers will click away within a second. Because bad audio makes your content feel annoying, difficult to understand, and exhausting to listen to. And how to recover if you have done this? First, stop ignoring audio quality. You do not need an expensive studio setup. Even a budget mic or a smartphone microphone can sound good if you record in a quiet room with less echo and background noise. Mistake number 7, empty description. A lot of creators upload a video writing nothing in description, and they wonder why YouTube doesn't give impression to their content. Your description is not just there for viewers. It's also help YouTube understand what your video is about. It's also important for SEO to rank your video in search result. So write a few sentences explaining what the video is about. Naturally include important keywords and add useful link or timestamp if needed. Mistake number 8, changing niche. This is one of the most painful mistakes creators make, constantly changing their niche before the channel ever got a chance to grow. One week you upload gaming videos, the next week it's motivational content, then reaction videos, and suddenly your channel has no clear identity anymore. The problem is YouTube gets confused about who to recommend to your content, and your audience get confused too. Because someone who subscribes for gaming content probably won't care about random motivation videos the next day. So choose one main niche and stick to it constantly for a while, even if growth feels slow at the beginning. Mistake number 9, inconsistency. You upload constantly for a few days or weeks, maybe even start getting some views, and then suddenly disappear for a month. And when you finally come back, your views are lower and it feels like the algorithm forget your channel ever existed. Consistency matters because YouTube reward creators who keep giving viewers a reason to return. The more consistently you upload, the more chances YouTube get to understand your audience and push your content to the right people. So, how to recover if you have done this mistake? First, stop chasing unrealistic upload schedules. You do not need to upload every single day to grow. Instead, choose a schedule you can actually maintain long term, whether that's once a week, twice a week, or even solid video every 2 weeks. Consistency is more important than quality. Another mistake creators make when uploading videos to YouTube. So watch this video to learn the right way to upload videos on YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe.